How can schools integrate adaptive learning systems with existing infrastructure? Imagine a classroom where each student gets a learning experience tailored just for them. That's what adaptive learning systems aim to do using artificial intelligence. These systems adjust content and pacing based on how students perform, making learning more personal and effective. But how do schools bring these smart tools into their current setup without causing chaos? Let's explore how schools can make this transition smoothly. First, start by looking at what technology and curriculum you already have in place. Check if your school uses learning management systems, interactive whiteboards, or tablets. These tools can often work with adaptive learning platforms without needing major upgrades. For example, if your school already has a learning management system, choose an adaptive platform that can connect with it. Compatibility is key to avoiding extra costs and technical headaches. Next, identify where adaptive learning can help most. Maybe some students struggle with specific subjects or concepts. Pilot programs are a great way to test the waters. Pick a few classrooms and introduce the system there. This way, teachers and students can get used to it, and you can see what works and what doesn't before expanding school-wide. When selecting an adaptive learning platform, look for features that match your goals. The best options provide detailed data on student progress, allow for customizable content, and work with devices already in use. For instance, if your school uses tablets and interactive whiteboards, ensure the platform supports these devices. Also, check if it can handle multimedia lessons and assessments your teachers already use. Teacher training is essential. Educators need to understand how to use the new tools and interpret the data they generate. Offer professional development sessions that cover platform navigation, analyzing student reports, and blending adaptive activities with traditional lessons. Ongoing support, like help desks or refresher workshops, keeps teachers confident and effective. Implement the system gradually. Start by assigning adaptive activities for homework or independent practice. As students and teachers get comfortable, incorporate these tools into regular lessons. Over time, you can redesign parts of your curriculum to include dynamic grouping, instant feedback, and personalized learning paths. This phased approach reduces disruption and builds confidence. In the classroom, adaptive systems monitor student progress in real time. If a student struggles with a concept, the system can suggest extra practice or simpler explanations. If a student quickly masters a topic, it can introduce more challenging content. Teachers receive reports showing who needs help and who is ready to move forward, enabling targeted support. To make the most of adaptive learning, break your content into small, clear units. Design assessments that give immediate feedback, so students know what to improve. Structure learning paths from basic skills to more complex ideas, with the system guiding students based on their performance. This creates a smooth, personalized journey for each learner. Successful integration depends on clear communication and involving everyone. Share your plans with staff, students, and parents. Gather feedback and be ready to make adjustments. Budget enough time and resources for training, testing, and full implementation. Regularly check how students are doing and how teachers feel about the system. This helps ensure the technology truly benefits your school. When schools thoughtfully add adaptive learning systems, they can make education more responsive and engaging. These tools help teachers meet diverse needs, provide useful data, and create a classroom where every student can succeed at their own pace. With careful planning and ongoing support, integrating these systems becomes a powerful step toward preparing students for the future.